Hello my viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video I showed you how to make a devil's food cake and now today I'm going to be giving you a demonstration of how to make an M&Ms cupcake. An M&Ms cookie, if you know that. Now I'm going to be starting off with softened butter, which is 150 grams. Now it has to be soft when you're making any of these things. Now I'm just going to soften this first before I add the sugar. Now to this I'm going to be adding in some caster sugar, which is 150 grams. Now this is the same as a softened butter. So I'm going to mix this until it is, cream this until it is light and fluffy. And I'm also going to add a tablespoon of milk. And as well to this, I'm going to add in 225 grams of sifted self-raising flour. Now this is the self-raising flour, which I'm going to add to this. To give the flour a sieve through. You're going to get a sieve through until it has no lumps of flour in this. Lastly, I'm going to add is 100 grams of M&Ms. Now I'm going to give this a mix through until it becomes like a cookie. Now you want a cookie that has M&Ms in it. Now you're going to put these into cookies. Now I'm going to show you how I can put those into cookies. Now I'll grease the baking trays with butter. So if you watch me flatten the cookies, you can flatten them out with a fork or with a spoon. See if you can make the cookies and repeat the process. Now the cookies have all been made into balls. Now preheat the oven to 190 degrees Fahrenheit Celsius for 15 minutes until it becomes like a baked cookie. Look at these cookies are made. It has got an M&Ms bit on a cookie and it has a mixture that makes it look like this. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to give your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.